1590. 3 years. That's how long John White carried the weight of a silent colony in his chest. He was supposed to be gone for months, but the war with Spain turned the Atlantic into a graveyard. When he finally stepped back onto the sands of Roanoke Island, he didn't find his daughter. He didn't find his granddaughter, Virginia Dare. He found a ghost town. The archive shows us a settlement that didn't just fail, it vanished. No bodies, no signs of a struggle. The houses had been taken down with care, not burned in a raid. Just a single word carved into a wooden post: CROATOAN. No cross, the secret signal for distress, was ever found. They left, but where do 115 souls go when the new world decides it's finished with them? To understand the disappearance, we have to look at the foundation. This wasn't the first time England tried to plant a flag in this soil. 2 years earlier, Ralph Lane turned this island into a fortress of paranoia. They weren't farmers, they were soldiers. When food ran low, they didn't negotiate, they struck. They decapitated a local chief, Wingina, and left a stain of blood on the land that the 1587 settlers would eventually have to pay for. By the time John White's group arrived, men, women, and children looking for a home, the ground was already poisoned. They were supposed to head to the Chesapeake, but the pilot, Simon Fernandez, forced them off the ship at Roanoke. He left them in a place that already hated them. In the archive, we call that a setup. The archive offers 3 exits from this mystery. Theory 1, assimilation. Did they simply move 50 miles south to CROATOAN Island, modern-day Hatteras, to live with the only friends they had left? The carvings suggested, and DNA today whispers of European blood in the local tribes.
The question,
but why wouldn't they wait for White? Theory 2, the inland move. A hidden patch on a map in the British Museum reveals a secret fort, Site X. Did they move inland to the Albemarle Sound to escape the coast? If so, why did they never reach out again? Theory 3, the massacre. Did the Spanish find them? Or did the local tribes, weary of English betrayal, finally finish what Ralph Lane started? 115 people don't just walk into the woods without leaving a trace. Unless the woods wanted it that way. We look for answers in the dirt, in the DNA, and in the carvings. But perhaps the truth is simpler. Perhaps Roanoke wasn't a failure of survival, but a success of disappearing. In a world that wanted them dead, they became part of the shadows. They became CROATOAN. John White died in England, never knowing the fate of his family. He left us with a word that has become a synonym for the unknown. This is case file number 005, the Lost Colony. I am the keeper of the archives, and some mysteries are better left in the dark. I'll see you in the shadows.